Hi everybody, my name's Abby and I'm in my second year of adult nursing at the University of Sheffield.
Hi, my name is Hannah and I am a second year adult nursing student at the University of Sheffield.
Hi, my name is Madison and I am doing adult nursing at the University of Sheffield and I'm in my first year. The day of the interview, it was very scary and I was so nervous, like I was shaking.
A couple of weeks prior to the interview day, you are given a question by email and you are asked to create a PowerPoint presentation based on your answer to that question and present this to the interviewers.
In my interview, I had an academic and also somebody working in the NHS.
So the question that I got was, what is the role of an adult nurse to me personally?
We were able to prepare this beforehand and you could use slides if you wanted, or you could just present it freely. It was a good opportunity to show the interviewers that I had done research and put across my point of view. So even if I got really nervous, I prepared it and that point would get across.
If you are nervous like I was, just be yourself. They're not trying to catch you out at all.
After that, I sat down with the two interviewers and we basically had a conversation about what nursing is, what you need to be a nurse, and challenges that face the NHS.
They did ask me, why do I want to be a nurse? What makes a good nurse? Why do we want to go to the University of Sheffield? Remember them being some questions.
The interviewers do ask you why you wanted to go into nursing and what qualities and skills you believe you can bring to the profession, and just general conversation about yourself as a person and how you want to progress in the career.
How did I prepare for my interview? This is a good question.
In preparation for the interview, I did some research about NHS values, areas that nurses work in, the real world issues that the NHS faces, which was a really good starting point for answering my interview questions.
I went over the PowerPoint, so after I did the PowerPoint, I went over it so many times. I'm sure my mum got really annoyed with me. I wanted to make sure I knew what I was on about, and I also got my mum to ask me questions about the PowerPoint.
I did a lot of pre-reading. When I went to open days and I spoke to student ambassadors there, they advised me to look at the Royal College of Nursing website and the Nursing and Midwifery Council website, which I did.
Any advice for future interviewees?
My advice for future interviewees for nursing: try to relax as much as possible and just be you and be authentic in that, and they will be able to see you and get to know you and get to know whether you're a good candidate for the nursing course and that you're prepared for the challenges that it will bring, but also really excited.
The main piece of information I would suggest for you guys to read would be based on the 6 C's. I'd never heard of the 6 C's before my interview, and it was something that cropped up amongst the questions, so I'm really happy that I did go and look at this, and it's something that I would definitely recommend because it is something that you do refer back to throughout doing your nurse training and being a qualified nurse as well.
Just be yourself, answer everything honestly, and do the best that you can. You can only do the best that you can. Don't try and perfect yourself, just be yourself, because that's all they want is yourself.
I hope that I've answered a few of the questions that some of you may have, and good luck to yourselves when you are applying and going through the interview process.